Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to replace the spark plugs on the C63 M156 engine. We got all the plugs, got our tools in here, got the engine cover, and Mr. Alvin is going to help us today. So let's start getting everything apart. I'm pretty sure we can do this. I doubt I'll have any issues getting this done by myself, by ourselves. Here we go. Let's get going on this. Up there pretty much. Okay, so we got all the stuff out. We got our coil wires disconnected, got all the bolts out, and now we're gonna take the coils out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, bam, chow, easy peasy, right? So we got all the coils out. This is going much more smoothly than we anticipated. And this Grinch of mechanics decided to say, just wait until the bolt snaps or something. Freaking guy, oh my God. Okay, got all the coils out. Let's get those plugs out. I believe it's a 14mm long, deep socket. And it was a T25 for all the coil bolts. This is so easy to do. Anybody who is afraid to do stuff by themselves, just freaking do it by yourself. It's the easiest thing in the world. Okay guys, we've unfortunately failed miserably. Well, not really, but the 14mm socket that we have, unfortunately it does go in, but it's not deep enough. And even if we get a whole bunch of extensions, whatever, the spark plug itself does not fit in there. We need a 14mm deep socket. So this is gonna be fun. We gotta go to Canadian Tire.
We should check if they even have it.
Oh my God, yeah. So
right, so we don't go to the wrong one and waste it.
Now we're gonna get slapped. We gotta go get a deep 14mm socket for the spark plugs. And I'm like, no problem, we got tons of 14s. We're good. This is long enough, right? Nope. Fun. Guys, this is actually an adventure. We're going to freaking Canadian Tire because we gotta get this 14. And luckily we have Mr. Savior of the day, Alvin. Shut up. Otherwise, I would have no way to go and get this socket. I'd literally have to reassemble everything like an idiot. Drive the car to, yeah, go left. Drive the car to freaking Canadian Tire. What's it called? To get this stupid socket and then come back, disassemble everything again and then finish it off. Or I have no other option. I'd have to take the Ferrari, but that's a dangerous game. Anyways, let's get the Canadian Tire. That's funny. Okay guys, we're at Canadian Tire. Got the 14mm socket. I believe that's the one we need. 3/8 spark plug socket, 14mm. Looks like the one. Yo, Canadian Tire is actually pretty cool. You can press this button and they'll apparently send somebody to open the locked case. That's actually cool. Super cool. But that's the one we need right there, right? 3/8. This is 3/8, 14mm spark plug socket. Let's grab one of these and hopefully we'll be good this time. Oh my God, what an adventure. Okay guys, we are back. We got the Mastercraft. We got Monster sponsoring today's video. Not really, just kidding. Okay, hopefully this works. If this doesn't work, this thing is gonna go flying to Canadian Tire at the speed of light. All right, let's do this. Let's get these plugs out. Guys, we just tested and we found out that it works. And guess what? I'm a donkey. Well, not really, but these things have like this rubber grommet or whatever inside. I don't know if you can see it.
And you don't know.
And you can put it on the back of a spark plug and it grabs it and you can pull it out. That is actually so cool. That little thing inside there, you can kind of see it on video. Yo, that's actually so smart. Okay, let's get these plugs out. Thank God this is gonna work. Yes. Anyways, guys, we had the most annoying thing ever. So I had to go get a swivel also because at the back of the firewall for the last plugs in the back, it's like impossible to get your long ratchet in. Like, look at this, like it barely fits. Like you can barely stick it in there if it was, haha, that's what she said. You can barely stick it in there if it was fully straight. So you gotta get a flaccid head. And only with a swivel can you get in there and get all the plugs out. They look all messed up. Anyways, let's get the new plugs in, clean everything up, reconnect the coils, start the car, and we should be good. Oh my, what an adventure. Yeah, make sure you have a 3/8 swivel with 14mm 3/8 deep socket, and however long this 3/8 socket is, whatever the hell you want to call it, extendo. Okay guys, we got all the plugs replaced. Got your coils over there. All the plugs are in, everything is nice and clean. Boom, bam, chow, right? What? Boom, bum chow, as they say. Okay, let's get the coils on. And then let's start the car. Okay. Let's clear all the codes. We got everything reassembled. Easy peasy, right? What is this car? Mercedes-Benz?
No, BMW.
No, it's a BMW, bro. AMG? Yes, of course. Yes. Diagnostics. And now it's gonna do this stupid procedure where it's gonna start loading. Yo, I need a new battery. Look at that, 11.64 volts. Oh,
That's
see?
very low.
That's very low.
You gotta be
Bro, it's a 10-year-old battery. What do you want?
I mean, you're just clearing codes. It's not like you're clearing.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, got all the stuff reconnected. All is good. Hopefully.
Always like this?
Yeah, it was always like that. Hopefully we have no problems. I'm pretty sure we did everything correctly. How to replace spark plugs on your M156 C63 AMG. Let's clear all the codes and let's start the car. Hey guys, we cleared all the codes. Let's start this baby up. First of all, hopefully it starts because the battery is a little low. This guy's like, oh my God, my ears! Oh, it's good. Nice. Wow, it idles down even really good. I think we have success.
Just needs a car wash.
Just needs a car wash, some PPF, some paint correction, lots of paint correction, an oxygen sensor, bank 1 cylinder 2, and we're good, right? No problem, right guys? Easy peasy. Okay, sounds good, smells good. Looks like everything is running correctly. Okay, let's. Huh? Yeah, I took them. Okay, let's make sure we don't got any codes. Battery voltage is good. That means the alternator is good. Just my battery is effed up. Come on. Bro, this thing is so slow. There we go, finally. Na. No fault codes detected. Beautiful. Wonderful. Very nice. Okay. Live data, whatever. Actually, we're not going to do live data. That's it. Actually, wait. Fault counter. I think we are good. Okay. It's fine. It's okay. All good. Except one, but that's fine. As long as it's not a lot. Okay. That's it. Shut her off. We're gonna go for a drive now. Make sure everything is good. Hoorah.